Hi Knights, welcome to UCF. My name is Amber Lett and I'm a fourth year computer engineering major.
My name is Avalon McNay and I'm a second year biology and mechanical engineering major.
My name is Paige Fintel and I'm a third year aerospace engineer.
My name is Paula Munkel and I am a second year biomedical sciences major.
My name is Shayna and I'm a second year biology major.
My name is Delta Zabel and I'm a second year mechanical engineering major.
My name is Gabrielle Valadares and I'm a third year civil engineering student.
I'm Annie, a second year mechanical engineering student.
My name is Jenna Hodgson. I'm a biology major on the pre-vet track and I'm a sophomore here at UCF.
My name is Kazai Olajide and I'm a third year molecular and cellular biology major.
My name is Brianna Price and I am a second year mechanical engineering major.
My name is Vanessa Melendez and I am a second year mechanical engineering major.
My name is Brooke Ferreira. I'm a mechanical engineering major here at UCF and this is my second year.
My name is Nidhi Patel and I'm a third year biomedical sciences major.
My name is Sarah Rendell and I am a third year civil engineering major.
My name is Natasha Odom and I'm a third year forensic science student.
My name is Jasmine Moy and I am a fourth year information technology student.
My name is Cameron Ojeki and I'm a third year biomedical sciences student.
I'm Cora Patterson and I'm a sophomore computer science major.
My name is Juliette Pimbert. I'm an aerospace engineering major and it's going to be my second year in college.
My name is Emma Robertson and I'm a second year forensic science student here at UCF.
My name is Aditi Jaraman and I am a second year data science major.
My name is Bailey Glidden and I'm a fourth year statistics major.
My name's Izzy and I'm a third year biology major on the pre-veterinary zoology track.
My name is Alyssa and I'm a second year biomedical science major.
My name is Kayla and I'm a third year photonic science and engineering major.
My name is Juliana Baez and I am a second year forensic science major.
My name is Elena Kennedy and I'm a second year civil engineering major.
My name is Lauren Taylor and I'm a third year mechanical engineering student.
Hey everybody, my name is Kayla Israel and I'm going to be the lead GEMS mentor for the 2023-2024 school year, and I am an industrial engineering major with minors in computer science and mathematics.
I decided to go to the University of Central Florida not only because of their beautiful campus and the diversity that this school has for its students and its faculty, but also because of the amazing engineering department and all the opportunities that it has for its STEM students.
Being on such a big campus is great because there's so many people and events going on and clubs, so you can really find a spot and community for yourself.
I love the feeling I got when I first walked onto campus. The campus is very beautiful and well maintained, and everyone here is so kind and willing to help you.
Coming in as a freshman, I had lots of doubt and uncertainty about whether I was on the right track, academically, career-wise, and even socially. And Excel helped ease that anxiety that I had.
Joining Excel was a smaller cohort of like-minded individuals who were pursuing a STEM degree just like me.
For me, the math classes are the most beneficial because you have people that are there strictly to help you, and there's smaller classes that have just people that are in Excel that you can work with constantly and go to the Excel Center and get help from the LAs and from the TAs, and I truly think that Excel is the reason that I got an A in my math class.
I also really like how the STEM seminar class helps us set up for our future years in college. They introduce us to so many opportunities like clubs, internships, and even study abroad programs.
There were so many things I loved about the Excel program, but I think what's probably the most helpful to me was having a GEMS mentor. In my first year, she was able to really showcase college life and how to adjust to my major.
The GEMS program provides a go-to person for students to go and ask questions or ask for advice on classes or the transition into college, as this person has most likely been through a similar situation. The GEMS program benefited me by giving me more confidence in my major and helping me realize that I'm not alone in this program and that I have another group of women that are also trying to pursue the same major as me.
GEMS has benefited me throughout my college experience by showing me that females can be in these fields and they deserve to be in these fields and we can make it in these fields.
It can be really daunting sometimes going to a class, especially a large one, and seeing primarily males. But with the GEMS program, you can have the comfort of knowing that there's been other women or non-binary students in your same shoes, and you can learn tips and tricks from them to help you feel more comfortable in those classes.
I was able to ask her questions about classes, what professors to take, different programs to be a part of, and how to balance my school versus social life.
I was able to come out of my shell. I was able to become more involved on campus activities and organizations that I would have never dreamed of before going into college.
GEMS also has a lot of social events to really build that supportive network within these STEM majors, and they also have panel events where you can build your professional network.
GEMS is such a great program because not only are you going to be able to make connections with people you're going to see throughout your entire time here at UCF, but it's also a great way to get a mentor who is on the same track as you, maybe just a few steps ahead of you, that can really guide you through and be that support system that you may need.
Welcome to GEMS.
Go Knights, charge on.